Yeah, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Second leg ye-MTN 8 has been sold out. Amathikithi aphelile. Shuthi bafethu sizohlangana Saturday eLucas Moripi Stadium for i-second leg bafethu. Mina I think i-Pirates, my prediction, I think i-Pirates will win by 2-0. I-goal scorer kuyoba Mfukeng and Maswanganyi. I-man of the match kuzoba kuMbule. Yeah, that's what I think. Bafethu ngitsheleni ama-prediction wenu. Siboneni ozo-predictor right ngizomthengela i-voucher ye-R100 Sunday ekuseni. Ozo-predictor correct score ngizomthengela i-voucher ye-R100 Sunday ekuseni. Mina I say Pirates will win by 2. Aggregate score will be 3-1.